Hello. What I'm touching? Can you tell? Just a rubbish. Can you tell what I'm touching? Oh, there's secret treasure here. Who ever put a box in here? Oh yeah, do not cross. No, do not cross. But this is my home. They want to give me a test. But police try to get here to check my house every day. I did. Who tried to put a box in my home? Who? Can you guess? Who? Let's try to cross it because this is my home. So everything that is at my home, I can open it. Oh wait. This box have a letter secret. Oh, and here's letter for B. That means for me, right? Okay? Now let's roll it up. Yes. Paper. Roll. Okay. Put in here. And what do we see here? Sit down. Okay, what do we see here? Oh no, there's a lock. We can't open it. Oh wait, I know. When I was go to the beach, I found a key. That must be it. That key. Where's that key? Can you find it? I see a black thread. Why do it end up in here? Let's try. Hope this works. Please work. Okay, do you think it will work or not? Write me in the message. It will work or not. Okay. Let's see this. Oh, it fit in. It works. It works. Now, it works. Only for this key, it works. Okay. Now here's a special lock. Here's that secret. You can read here. Okay, let's open it up. Get inside. Let's see. What's this black thing? Wait, no way. A safe in a treasure box? No way. It can't be. Oh, wait, here's a letter that says, open the safe. Ah, okay, now which line shall we can open here? Maybe, oh wait, they have a small line here. A small line here, but I think it's it. Here, I think it's 3. It didn't work. And what about 1? Why did there's a 1 behind the 3? I don't know, but let's check. It works. Gosh! There's a compilation lock. How could I end up in here? How could I remember there? How could I can open it? Okay, so comment down below, and if you can help me with this lock. Okay, it's very hard. Okay, put this here. Okay, guys. Okay, so here's the combination lock, and I have to order the right. Is it 9? Yeah. Wait. Yeah. It not work. What about where is it? Maybe the compilation lock. They can see here. Did it here before? Okay, so this is very hard, is it? Wait. They didn't have a number line. Wait. You need to use a marker for this. Oh, here's one marker. Okay, so comment down below. I see one of these. That means I have to point that right at the end. Here, it's right here. So I point right through this. Okay, now make a second. Okay. Okay, so first try. Okay, now it's here. It's at the right directions. Okay. So what shall we gonna do with one of these? Is it 8 and 8 and 8? 8, 8, 8, and the 0, the middle 0 and the 8. Is it working? Beep, beep. It worked. It worked. Wait. Okay. We got him! Got him! First try! First try! Okay, so there's the core here. It's very hard. Got him. Let's roll. Okay. Some money. Oh, there's some money. Whoa. And there's some money. I can't believe inside here's some money. Okay. Let's see how many dollars we have. Okay. $10. Oh, here's George Washington. Here's $10, $20, $30, $35. We have $35 worth of these. Toy monies. They are toy monies. Why do? Oh wait. Huh? There's toy monies too. Toy monies. Oh, toy monies. Right. Why do we have to put right in the box? If we open things up, we need to tidy it up. Okay. So, okay, now one of these. Okay. And okay, so hello guys, it's the next morning. Okay, so I will introduce you my favorite safe, cardboard safe. Yeah, yeah, very cool. You've never seen a cardboard safe like this. Okay, so if I want to store my money, I can fold it up. Can I fold it up? Okay, I can fold it any way. Wait, need to put all the monies here first. Okay. Okay, so okay, I start to fold it. A small one. Okay, so I will put it here. And this paper money, I would like to keep it. Oh wait, $1. Okay, so I want to store. If I want to store it, I put this cork here. Wait, need to be put like this. Okay, so this cork stop the money from getting out. Okay, here's the combination lock. I see a little space here, so that means you have to put the lock keys in the right order. Okay, I will show you. Okay, I will take all these pieces out. so you see, each hole has a lock here to open one of these. Okay, so if the hole, okay, so I'll teach you. And if the holes like this, you can move the lock. Like this, you can move one of these to take your money out. And if you are in the wrong order, it don't want to come out. And if you are in the right order, it comes out. You see? And each one of these are held up to the line here. Yeah. And as you can see, I will show you it again. I want to show you what it looks like. Fits right into the cork. And I have one of these too to tell which numbers are. Okay. Let's put one of these numbers back. Wait. Okay, here. 1. Okay, 2. 2. Last one. 3. Okay, so this combination lock is very tight, so you have to be very careful with it. But most locks very tight, but my lock is a little bit tight, so you have to be very careful with it. 1 down, 2 down. Yeah, lock it. And make like this, turn to the wrong order. Okay. Good thing. Okay. 0 lined up. Okay, we start with 0 and the same. 0 and the other one 0. Okay, now it's all locked and I can't open it, and here you can feel it. It can't move. Feel it. You see, it's locked. Okay, so this lock is a little bit powerful. You should play with it all the time. And okay, so I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. And if you haven't yet, you can go onto my secret channel, watch other videos, watch how to make this box container and in the safe. In my previous videos, that you see that it can lock with this. It fits me, okay? Guys, I will come right in. Hope this fits. There's a little bit squeeze here. Okay, here. Okay. Now got it. It's too big. Okay. Squeeze myself in. Can you help me a little bit? You can't squeeze in. I'm so big. But I can see through here. Good luck. Okay, so bye guys.